Welcome to XBody Health, Wellness, and Spa, where we proudly offer services that range from functional medicine to improving your health one step at a time so you can look and feel great in your own skin. Services like comprehensive blood work, food and environmental allergy tests, customized weight loss programs, and state-of-the-art equipment for body shaping. Boost your immunity with an IV cocktail. For guided meditation and stress relief, enjoy our O2 chair. Free consultations to treat varicose veins. Radiation-free bone density scan. Reveal your inner beauty with Botox, Juvederm, and much more. Physical therapy and training techniques include ultrasound waves and our lymphatic drainage system. At XBody Health, Wellness, and Spa, we have an amazing team of experts and doctors that value your time creating plans for your new and improved lifestyle.